Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying iOS 26 and a recent backup so changes are reversible. Open Settings and tap Safari to jump straight into options. This gives you quick access to search, tabs, and privacy controls. Once done, enable iCloud Safari Sync if you need bookmarks and tabs on other devices, because making layout or default browser changes without sync can leave data fragmented. Make sure to have screen time passcode if set, because some settings are restricted. You'll now change the core behaviors. Tap Search Engine to pick your default and then Default Browser app if you installed alternatives. This determines where links open. Next, adjust tabs, choose Compact or Separate and toggle Show Icons to surface website favicons. Then configure the start page, customize sections and background. Once done, go into Privacy and Security and enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and block pop-ups to reduce ads and fingerprinting while keeping browsing fast. You finish by enabling or disabling Safari extensions and reviewing experimental features for advanced behavior. That controls CSS, JavaScript, and rendering tweaks. Adjust per site settings for camera, microphone, and pop-ups to avoid surprises. If something breaks, clear history and website data or reset Safari settings to restore defaults. If problems persist, restart your device, update iOS 26, or temporarily disable extensions. These steps usually resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.